foodies! Ever found yourself craving your favorite meal but wondering, can I order Uber Eats with PayPal? Well, you're in luck because I'm about to show you how. Yes, you can totally order Uber Eats with PayPal, and it's super easy. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open your Uber Eats app. If you don't have it, go ahead and download it from your app store. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into your Uber account. All set? Great. Now, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you see Payment. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of your saved payment methods. To add a new one, click on Add Payment Method. Select PayPal from the list. You'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. Simply enter your credentials and hit Log In. Uber Eats will then ask for your permission to connect your PayPal account. Click on Agree and Continue. Once connected, your PayPal account will appear as a payment option. Now let's order some food. Go back to the main screen, scroll through the delicious options, and pick your favorite dish. When you're ready to check out, proceed to payment. On the payment screen, select PayPal from the list. Confirm your order, and voila! Your meal is on its way, and you've paid with PayPal. Told you it was easy. So next time you're hungry and don't want to reach for your credit card, remember you can use PayPal on Uber Eats. Enjoy your meal and happy eating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more foodie tips. Catch you later.